Clean hands and a pure heart, the best hygiene remedy. Hello, welcome back. Today Wellspring of Enlightenment channel presents to you an essential and relevant topic. Hand washing. Stay tuned until the end for valuable tips. At Wellspring Enlightenment, we aim to educate and bring awareness to crucial issues that impact daily life. Hygiene and wellness are fundamental to maintaining optimal health, and proper hand washing plays a significant role in this. The importance of hand washing. Throughout history, cleanliness has been emphasized as a way to prevent diseases. In biblical times, the Israelites were instructed to avoid sources of infection, properly dispose of waste, and wash their hands. They were also given guidelines on personal hygiene, such as washing clothes in running water rather than stagnant pools. These principles were designed to promote good health long before modern science understood how germs affect the body. Today, we know that bacteria and viruses can weaken the immune system, making us more vulnerable to illnesses. However, by following proper hygiene practices, we can significantly reduce our risk of infection. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to do this is by keeping our hands clean. Key elements of hand washing. Use soap, running water, and friction to remove germs effectively. Stay motivated. There is no excuse for neglecting hand hygiene after using the restroom, handling raw meat, or touching surfaces in public places. A few seconds of proper hand washing can prevent discomfort, illness, and unnecessary trips to the doctor. How germs spread through touch. Germs can enter the body through the eyes, nose, and mouth when we unconsciously touch our faces. This process, called self-inoculation, occurs when bacteria or viruses transfer from our hands to these vulnerable areas. The spaces beneath our fingernails, as well as the mucous membranes of the nose and eyes, are particularly prone to contamination. Studies show that most germs are spread through direct contact rather than airborne exposure. To prevent infections, we must focus on 5 key areas: hands, eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. Surprisingly, washing hands alone is often not enough. 90% of germs hide under fingernails, even if they are short and well trimmed. For this reason, it is vital to clean beneath the nails thoroughly. Did you know you should wash your hands before washing your face? Your hands must be clean for at least 15 seconds under running water before touching your face to avoid transferring bacteria. Proper hand washing technique. Follow these core principles for effective hand hygiene. Wet your hands with warm, not necessarily hot, water. Apply plenty of soap to your palms. Rub your hands together vigorously, ensuring you scrub all surfaces, including under your fingernails. Continue scrubbing for 15 to 30 seconds, about the time it takes to sing Happy Birthday slowly. Rinse thoroughly and dry your hands with a clean towel or paper towel. In public restrooms, use the towel to turn off the tap and open the door to avoid recontamination. Carry a hand sanitizer in case soap and water are unavailable. While not a substitute for washing, it is better than nothing. Compulsory hand washing moment. It is critical to wash your hands in the following situations. After using the restroom. Before and after inserting or removing contact lenses. Before and after preparing food. Before eating. After sneezing, coughing, or blowing your nose. After handling pets or pet waste. After touching money. After changing a diaper. After taking out the trash. After cleaning the toilet. After shaking hands with others. After shopping or attending public events. Before and after intimate contact, a commonly ignored but essential step. By washing your hands regularly, you help protect your immune system and reduce exposure to harmful germs. Pair this with other hygiene practices, like using high-quality soap and cleansing your nasal passages, to maintain overall health. Why cleanliness matters. Many of us grew up hearing the phrase, "Cleanliness is next to godliness." While this saying is widely known, it is not explicitly found in the Bible. However, the principle aligns with biblical teachings on purity and hygiene. For example, Numbers chapter 19 verse 19 instructs, "The clean person shall sprinkle hyssop and water upon the unclean on the third day and on the seventh day. He shall purify himself, wash his clothes, bathe in water, and in the evening he shall be clean." Breaking bad habits. Nail biting is a common but unhygienic habit. Many people, including myself, have bitten their nails out of stress or nervousness without realizing the number of germs they introduce into their bodies. Avoiding such habits is a simple yet powerful step toward better health. Additional hygiene tips. For comprehensive hygiene, follow these 4 essential steps. Wash your hands frequently, paying close attention to the area beneath your fingernails. Cleanse your nasal passages and eyes by rinsing your face with a saline solution. Maintain ear hygiene by cleaning your ear canal at least twice a week. Use an essential oil-based mouth rinse to reduce bacterial buildup in the mouth. By adopting these simple hygiene practices, you can enhance your health and protect yourself and others from infections. Final thoughts. Hand washing is a small yet powerful act that can prevent illness and improve overall well-being. Let us commit to maintaining immaculate hygiene and encouraging others to do the same. If you find this information valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and connected to the world around you.